We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Sorry about that. So yeah, like I was saying, I don't know if I'm gonna put on any makeup today. We'll see as the vlog goes on. But oh yeah, like I was saying, I'm getting, like, my skin is breaking out just here, and I have a feeling, I'm convinced that it's the masks. I'm actually quite convinced. But anyway, I'm gonna just sit here for another 5 minutes, get myself into the right state of mind, and then literally I'm gonna drag myself out of this bed and get ready to go, because yeah. Alright, happy Saturday. Hi again, guys. It is 10:18 and I should have been gone by now, but I'm waiting for a cab. I'm just waiting for a cab, and instead it's coming right outside. The cab guy, there was nobody. There were no other drivers available, so yeah. Now I'm just kind of waiting. I feel really, really tired. Really, really out of it. Not in the mood whatsoever, but it's okay. We move.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
Guys, it is 20 minutes to 2. Outfit change. Not really an outfit change, but well, yeah, kind of outfit change. Because when I got home, some people said they had been planning to go out, and I hijacked that outing and told them they are not leaving me alone. So we're on our way to. I've actually never been to St. John's Wood. It's actually very nice. I've never ever been there. So I'm excited. So yeah.
As well that we came back home.
She didn't even know. You didn't even know I'm a gay guy.
I didn't
Mega
know.
one did.
I didn't. No. I don't want to feel like, I'm stalking.
It's not called stalking. It's called being caring.
Yo. So it's caring when it suits you.
Mm-hmm. You're just like a white, like
And
white.
the Pumzi didn't even know where you were. Did you know where she was?
You did not call me
No.
or text me.
Yeah.
Sent her a message. Are you awake? Are you okay? Is Mama back? I asked her.
Yes.
And she said yes. I don't know which one she was answering.
So does that change
But
the
she said
fact that
yes.
I didn't know where you were?
Yes, it does, because you clearly had an opportunity
Right,
to ask me. No, you could have asked me. You could have texted me and been like,
my head.
and been like,
My head. I hit my
Your
head.
head. Nna koloi ke ere ga ena bone tele.
you could have.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
Okay, guys, so again, we're back with the flashlight because, yeah, my room has just really like terrible lighting, so it is what it is. But yeah, the time is 9:30, and I just wanted to come on here and just end the vlog. So, yeah, so basically, just a recap of my day. I had a meeting at church this morning. I was actually pretty late. I was like an hour late. But all in all, I think it was a productive meeting. It was really good. I learned a lot, and I guess I'm looking forward to the way forward. And then after that, I went for an impromptu lunch with my mom and my niece. You'll have seen the clips there, and yeah, that was nice. It was a nice outing, and I did enjoy myself. Although I did start to feel a little bit sick afterwards. I had this like weird dizziness that was just kind of like making me I wasn't feeling good. So my mood kind of like went a little bit downhill after we ate and such, but I got better, and yeah, that was that. Came home, and that was pretty much it for the day. But one thing that I wanted to talk about, guys, is you know, on my way back from the meeting in the morning, I was taking a cab. So this cab, there were actually two men in it. I don't know why so it was a driver and another dude. So I didn't know why there were two guys. But for the first time ever, I felt so scared. I felt so unsafe. And I just felt extremely uneasy. I I really did not like the fact that, you know, I was in a car with two men, and just, I think what scared me the most was that if, God forbid, something had happened to me, there was going to be no way that I would have been able to like help myself, because obviously, you know, I have a disability, and it's not like I can just open the door and just like run out. So I think it's things like those that they scare me sometimes, but not as much as it did today. And I don't know why that was the case. Like, I was so scared to a point where I sent my niece my live location. Like, I shared my live location with her on WhatsApp because I just felt so unsafe. And yeah, I don't think that we should be living in a world, in a society where we feel that terrified even to just be around the people that are supposed to be protecting us and that we're supposed to be running to, you know, when we need to feel safe and protected. Those are the same people that we need to be protected from. It's kind of crazy, but I'm glad that nothing happened. But yeah, it's just like a word to you guys, and you know, to the ladies, just always be aware of your surroundings and just take care of yourself. Be on alert all the time. It sucks that I have to give you this advice, but it is what it is. This is the world that we live in now, which kind of sucks, but yeah, just stay safe, and take care of yourself, take care of your people. Like I said, like I said, today is actually World Mental Health Day, so I just want to, you know, because mental health is something that is so close to my heart and something that I'm actually really passionate about, I just wanted to, you know, emphasize how to make your mental health a priority. Take care of yourself, take care of your mind, take care of your your mind, your body, your soul, they all work together. And when one is down, when one is not functioning well, it affects the others. So make sure to just, take care of yourself, take care of your mind, make sure to make self-care a thing. Protect yourself, protect your heart, protect your mind, protect your soul. Pray, meditate, whatever it is that you do, to just ground yourself spiritually, do that. Surround yourself with as much positive energy as possible. I know for me today, even now in this moment recording this, I do feel that my spirit is it's a bit low. And the weird thing is that I don't know what is causing it. But yeah, basically just take care of yourself, take care of your mind, take care of your body, take care of your soul. Do more of what makes you happy, what makes you smile, what makes you laugh, and just be everything that you need for yourself. My my camera died, my battery died, so I'm just gonna end the vlog. I think that was a sign. Now I just need to stop talking, so I'm gonna end the vlog on my phone. Thank you so much for watching the vlog and for getting to the end of the vlog. I really did enjoy, taking you guys with me on my day today and talking to you guys. Again, make your mental health a priority. You are a priority, and your feelings are valid, your emotions are valid, and all that jazz. I'm not gonna blab. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up to let me know. Comment below and let me know what you have been doing consciously to make your mental health a priority. What have you been doing? What self-care tips can you share that have been working for you? Things that you've been doing intentionally to just make sure that you are taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your mind, most especially. And yeah, if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video.